Hey, what's going on, guys? The manufacturer sent me these running boards here for free so I could check them out and let you know what I think about it. So for this video right now, I just want to do a quick unboxing for you so you can see first impressions and know what you get in the box. First thing I can tell you is super heavy. The box is really heavy, but they did provide these really heavy-duty straps to keep it sealed up during shipping. Okay, so tip it down. You can see this is what we have. Another little box. I'll open that in a second. Okay, so you can see again, so it's wrapped up really nicely. A lot of bubble wrap. Let me carefully cut this all off of here. Okay, so now we can get kind of the first look at the appearance here. It has a really nice texture. I love the way it looks. I mean, it feels really solid. Go ahead and take them the rest of the way apart here. So I'll hold up one of the boards so you can see. Maybe I'll try to turn it. Hopefully you can see it all. So it has really easy looking mounting holes back here. So that's really cool. The steps feel solid. Doesn't look like there's any damage to the finish or anything, so I wouldn't be worried about it rusting quickly. We'll go ahead and get the other one out. Okay, same thing. This one feels really nice. So I don't see any damage, any scratches or anything wrong with the finish. Looks really consistent, so that's good. And then we'll see what came in this little box. Probably, just the mounting hardware. This little box is a lot heavier than it looks too. So yeah, so there's kind of your part list and install instructions here. Here's, looks like a set of mounting brackets. Looks like how I believe it works is under the body or frame of your truck, and you get under there, you'll see slots where you can loosen up your bolts, hook this on there, and this will be kind of the cradle to hold each of the runners in place there. So 2 sets like this, and then your hardware pack. So all your nuts, bolts, and washers, lock washers, all that kinds of stuff for these. So guys, if you are looking for running boards, I mean, these definitely seem like they're strong and heavy duty. I'm really excited about them and happy I had the chance to get them. So, make sure you go ahead and check them out if you're interested in running boards.